In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the quick listing tool on eBay. Whether you're new to selling on eBay or just looking for a more efficient way to list your items, this simple tool can save you time and streamline your selling process. So let's jump right in and get started. First, you'll need to log into your eBay account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to set that up. But assuming you've already got an account, just head over to the eBay website and enter your credentials. Make sure you're on a secure network when logging in to protect your account information. Once you're in, navigate to the top of the page, where you'll see the Sell button. Click on Sell to reveal a drop-down menu, and from there simply select the Quick Listing tool. This tool is designed specifically for speed and simplicity, perfect for those who want to get their items up for sale as quickly as possible. Once you've entered the Quick Listing tool, the next step is to enter the name of the item you wish to sell. Be as descriptive as possible, because this helps potential buyers find your item. The name you choose should clearly convey what you're selling. After typing in a name, eBay will automatically suggest a category for your item based on the title you entered. Verify the suggested category or change it to a more accurate one if needed. Choosing the right category is crucial because it determines where your item will appear when prospective buyers browse through eBay's extensive listings. After selecting the appropriate category, it's time to add some photos. Click on the Photo Upload button and choose images that best represent your item. High-quality pictures from multiple angles can significantly increase the chances of a successful sale. Buyers like to see what they are purchasing, so make sure the lighting is good and the images are clear. Then, you'll need to set a price for your item. Depending on your strategy, you can opt for a fixed price or start an auction. Consider researching similar items to see how they are priced to ensure your asking price is competitive. Once you've set the price, take a moment to review all the details you've entered to ensure everything is accurate and complete. Finally, it's time to list your item. Hit the List Item button, and your product will go live on the eBay marketplace. At this stage, eBay may provide you with some last-minute recommendations. One is to enhance your listing, such as promotional options or feedback review. Make adjustments if you see fit. Then confirm your listing. And that's it. Your item is now listed on eBay. Congratulations! You've just learned how to use the Quick Listing tool on eBay. With this efficient tool, listing items can be faster and simpler, allowing you to focus more on selling and less on setup. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.